Welcome. Thank you for joining me. So we have few questions related to quadratic equations. Questions are where quadratic equation is given and one of its roots are given and there is some unknown coefficient. Like in first question, consider the quadratic equation 2x square minus 5x plus b equals to 0 and one of the value x equals to 3 is given. Then we have to find the value of p. Let's solve this equation. Okay, let's find the value of p. So the question is two x square minus 5x plus p equals to 0. So one of the value x equals to 3 is given. Okay, so we can write like this: polynomial x. We don't need to write this. Okay, since x equals to 3, therefore it implies that 2 to the power 2 into x square. Instead of x square we will replace the value of x, which is 3. Then 5 into x, we will replace the value of x by 3 plus p. Value of p is not known, we have to find that. So 3 square equals to 9. So I can so this will become 18 minus 15 plus p equals to 0. So this step was not necessary since it is a standard 10 question, so you can directly skip to this step. Okay, so 18 minus 5 is 3. Again, this step is not necessary. Therefore, p equals to minus 3, or you can directly write like this: p equals to minus 3. So what you can do, you can write like this: solution. Given 2x square minus 5x plus p equals to 0 and x equals to 3. It implies 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2 minus 5 into 3 plus p equals to 0. It implies 2 into 9, which is equals to 18, minus 5 into 3, which is 15, plus p equals to 0. So 3 plus p equals to 0, therefore p equals to minus 3. That's it. Let's solve the next question. Given the equation kx square plus 4x minus 8 equals to 0, if it is known that x equals to minus 2 is a root of this equation, determine the value of k. Okay, so we clean it. question is, so I will write just the equation from the question: kx square plus 4x minus 8 equals to 0 and x equals to minus 2. Okay, so since x equals to minus 2 is the solution of the given equation, therefore k x square, instead of x square now we will write how much? Minus 2 square plus 4 into minus 2. See, there is minus 2, not just 2, it's a minus 2, negative 2. So be careful about that. Then in next line we will write, it implies minus 2 square, minus 2 the whole square is plus 4. So it will become 4k, and this will become minus 8. Again we have minus 8 equals to 0. So this will become 4k minus 16. So then we will change the side. This is LHS. This side, wait, this side is LHS, this side is RHS. So here it will become minus 16 and then there is 0. So what we do, we can directly write like this: 4k equals to 16. So many of you may get confused. So how it become 4k equals to 16? So I will show you once. So see, this 4k minus 8 minus 8 minus 8 and minus 8 will be combined, so this will become minus 16. So suppose here is my 4k minus 16 and here is 0. So what we can do, we can add plus 16 on both sides. In math we can do it, we can multiply with the same number or term, divide or add or subtract in the equation, but we have to do it in both sides, in left hand side and also in right hand side, to balance the equation. So what will happen, this and this will be cancelled, so we will be left with 4k equals to 16. So this is what is called side changing. Okay, so I will just remove all this. These are not necessary, this was just for explaining it to you. Okay, so 4k equals to 16. So k equals to 16 by 4 or just 4, but in this step you can write 16 divided by 4, and in next step you can write therefore k equals to 4. That's it. So let's solve the next question. Let me clean it. So what is the next question? Next question is, for the quadratic equation x square plus mx plus inside bracket a square plus ab equals to 0. One of the roots is x equals to minus a. Compute the value of constant m in terms of a and b. Language is little bit different, but it is of the same kind of question. Okay, so let's solve it. Equation is x square plus mx plus a square plus ab equals to 0, and one of the root is x equals to minus a. So we will solve it. Since x equals to minus a is the root of given equation, therefore we will replace the value of x with minus a. So minus a square plus mx m into minus a. So there is no x here, so we just write x a square plus ab equals to 0. So minus a square will become just a square, positive a square. This m into minus a will become minus ma, and this will become a square plus ab equals to 0. So what we get here, say this a square and here a square, these two will be combined, this will become 2a square, 2a square plus ab minus ma equals to 0. So you can clearly see we have something common here. This a is in all the three terms, so we can just take the common and eliminate it. So it will become like this: 2a plus b minus m equals to 0. So if we divide both sides, LHS and RHS both, so with a, so a will be eliminated. If you want to just say it, you can. It will be like this: 2a plus b minus m. So this will become 0, 0, and this will be cancelled. Okay, so this part is not needed. So here we can directly write 2a plus b equals to m. So side of m will be changed, it will come into the right hand side, and since it is negative minus m in the left hand side, when it will be balanced, this will become positive m, means we will add positive m plus m in both sides. So left hand side minus m will be eliminated, and in right hand side we will get m, positive m. So in next step we can just write our answer: m equals to 2a plus b. That's it. Okay, let's solve the next question. So what is the next question? Next question is, examine the equation 5x square plus bx plus 6 equals to 0 if x equals to 1 by 5 is a root of this equation. Calculate the value of b. Okay, let's do it. Incline it. Question is, 5x square plus bx plus 6 equals to 0, and x equals to 1 by 5. Then what is the value of b? Since x equals to 1 by 5 is a solution of the given equation, therefore 5, we will replace the value of x into 1 by 5 square, that is 5x square, bx, b into 1 by 5 plus 6 should be 0. It implies 5 into 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 plus b by 5 plus 6 equals to 0. So what will happen here? This will become, this 5 and this 5 will be cancelled, so this will become 1 by 5 plus b by 5 plus 6 equals to 0. So we can just multiply both sides, RHS and this whole LHS, with 5. Why? Because here you can see in denominator we have 5, we have 5 here also, so these two denominators will be eliminated. I'm sorry, I have written 2 here, so it should be 5 here. So let's do it. Actually you can just do it in your this step only, okay. You can just directly write this line. So now this will become 1 plus b, and this 5 and 6 will be multiplied, this will become 30, and 0 into 5, obviously that is 0. So this will become b plus 31 equals to 0, therefore b equals to minus 31. Sometimes you may think that we should verify our answers also, so let's do it, okay. So this is our equation. So if v equals to minus 31, so this will become 5x square minus 31x plus 6 equals to 0, and x equals to 1 by 5. So let's verify it. So this will become 5 into 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 minus 31 by 5 plus 6 equals to 1 by 5 minus 31 by 5. So here it was 6 by 1, so we can make it 6 into 5, right? 1 into 5. So obviously it will become 0 by 5 and 0, and therefore equals to RHS. So it's verified that B equals to minus 31 is the correct value, is the correct answer. That's it. Thank you. Like and subscribe if you want more contents like this, or if you have any specific question, then you can post in comment. Okay, thank you.